All right, so with our crank project, we've got to wait for some spacers for our Timken. So while we're doing the waiting, we're gonna pull apart our Shovelhead crank, which technically is actually half Shovelhead on this side, and this side is a 1941 knuckle half, which was common to be done. The reason we have decided we need to do this, we'll get it over this way, it'll be easier to see, but our rod is completely pooched. Side to side wouldn't be so bad, but when you can go up and down, you got a problem. So what we have to do, so we have a lock tab on both sides, so we're going to take this one out of this side, leave the other side in for now, get that out of our way, and then we are going to attempt to blast that off. So there's that side. And now we'll take this side in. We have our crank bolts out. All right, so we'll separate the flywheels. Give them a good whack right there on the pin. And there you go. And our other side is probably gonna just fall out, as it did. There you go. So you can see all your bearings, oh yeah, inside. And this is never good. So this is probably where our rod went wrong. Cut a nice groove in there and put a new one of those in and some new bearings and put it all back together and rock and roll. So now our flywheel is separated. We've got our connecting rods off. And we can see the distinct damage that has taken place in this one as well. So this is why we're doing what we're doing. Once you get down into this area, so this is our outer bearing set, which you have a spiral lock pin in here. I took it apart, sorry, I meant to do it on video, but I screwed that up. So there's a spiral lock that goes around in a groove here, holds this washer in place, and underneath here we have our bearings, which these bearings are changeable. So if you line lap your cases, which you should do, you're always gonna end up, as you're shaving metal out, with a slightly larger. So you keep your cage the same, and as you can see, we can slide a bearing out of here, and there's our roller. They come in different sizes. So if we feel once we line lap it that we need to increase our bearing coverage to connect properly, we can change all these bearings all the way around. So I'm not gonna pull it off right now because I don't wanna mix anything up until I have replacements. That's the disassembly of our crank. Next video, we're gonna continue on with our Timken adjustment so we can get our end play right, and we'll put this all back together for you guys.